Walmart affiliate program review. Can you make money using Walmart affiliate? In this video I'm going to show you all of that and also how much you can make using Walmart affiliate. But first of all, if you want to make money online, get my #1 recommendation to make money online. Click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I'll send you my #1 recommendation to make money from home. Now let's talk about Walmart, guys. Okay, so Walmart, this is a good alternative to Amazon affiliate. What I like about Walmart, they do pay compared to Amazon, because the commission start up to 4% commission, which is quite good, which is quite really impressive compared to Amazon. And also with Walmart, it is easy to get started, to get your account to be approved, to start promoting Walmart products. So if you can go to affiliates.walmart.com, you can able to sign up. You able to create your own free account on Walmart affiliate. You can just put your name, your last name, your email, confirm your email, your username, your password, confirm your password. That's all it, guys. That's all it. And then so after you created your own free account, you're gonna go to walmart.com. So here with walmart.com, this is whereby that you're gonna able to find some winning products that you can promote. Okay, you have to find some products that they are some best performing products right now. So as you can see that these are the flash deals, but I'm going to show you how to find the best winning products. Keep watching. Okay, so as you can see that these are kind of products that you can promote, but guys, for me, I won't recommend to promote anything that is less than $100. Okay, that less than $100, because you're gonna get low percentage of commissions. My recommendation is at least start promoting products that are above $100 up to $1,000. Okay, so that you can make the most of money using Walmart affiliate. That's the one hack. When you click in the search bar, it's gonna be showing you some trending products that you need to promote. Okay, so this feature, it is very helpful, because you will know these products, they are trending, meaning that they are buyers that they want to buy these kind of products. So it's gonna be easy for you to get sales when you click there, and you can choose any product that you want. I'm gonna click here, choose Fireworks. As you can see, that there's also some blogs and Sparkies and back to school suppliers. So Fireworks, these are the products that you can promote. Forget about the sponsor. These are the sponsors ads, you know. Just scroll down, you'll see these. Some of them they cost $19, $16, all of those things. So these are the Fireworks that you can promote. You can also mix these products. You can also promote high ticket products here on Walmart. You can also promote some low ticket products such as $5. You're gonna get a lot of sales, but you're gonna earn so little commissions. Just be aware of that. Okay, you can also scroll down and see what kind of products that they are performing under Fireworks. It can work with any niche. You can also search any niche here and check the products that you want to promote using using Walmart affiliate. So if you like these kind of products, you can also read the description of the product, what the product is all about. Okay, I'm just gonna go to TV. So what I like about TVs at home and theater is that these products, these are high ticket products that I recommend you guys to promote, because here you can earn a lot of commissions. Here these products, they cost up to $400. As you can see, that $444, you'll be earning 4% of that product. As you can see, these are the hot and trending TVs that you can promote to your audience. As you can see, some of these products, they cost $600 up to $700, so you'll be earning 4% of that product. Okay, so you'll be earning some quite income when promoting these high ticket products compared to the low ticket products that Walmart is giving you. So when you click to the product, you'll be see the price of the product, and also you'll be see the image of the product, and also the title of the product, what does it do and stuff like that. You can also check the year warranty of this product. You can also check it there, guys, and also you can also scroll down and check these pictures here. What does this TV, this is the plasma, it looks like. This is a 75-inch, by the way. It costs $404. You can also read the product description about this product. If maybe you are writing reviews, blogs, you can also take there and also rewrite these kind of blogs, so that your customers even will have an idea on how does this product works. Okay, all of those things you have to need to know. Okay, so that was my Walmart affiliate program review, guys. Okay, as you can see that it is easy to sign up compared to Amazon, and also it is easy, very very easy. So if you want to get my number one recommendation to make money online from home, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video with high ticket affiliate program that allows you to earn up to $1,000 per sale. Okay, that high ticket affiliate program, it helped me to quit my 9-to-5 job, and also it helped me to have financial freedom online, to work whenever I want and where I want to work, guys. Okay, so if you have any questions, guys, okay, please let me know in the description of this YouTube video. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible, and so don't forget to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get my number one recommendation to make money from home. Take care and may God bless you. Good luck. Sharp.